Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. In this tutorial video, we are going to learn how to download VirtualBox on your MacBook. First step is to open your browser. Now click on the search bar and type in download VirtualBox for Mac. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo, click on it. Now scroll down until you see VirtualBox older builds, click on it. Now scroll all the way down to VirtualBox 7.0.8 and here you can see developer preview for macOS option, click on it. After your download is completed, click on the pop-up. Now here click on the .pkg file, click on continue, click on continue. Now click on install to install the software. Now it is going to ask for the password, so type in your laptop password. After that, your installation has been started. After your installation is completed, close this screen and now go to Launchpad, and here you can see that VirtualBox has been downloaded. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.